On a dark, rainy night, someone came to their house. The police wanted Daddy. But why? Was Daddy a criminal? Or was someone hiding the truth? It is a rainy evening. Rain falls outside. Tommy and Lily are at home. Tommy builds a tall tower. Lily smiles. They are happy. Daddy David sits on the sofa. He watches his children. He smiles with love.
Yeah!
Suddenly, bang, bang, bang. Someone knocks very loudly. Tommy is scared. His block falls. His eyes become big.
Lily holds Tommy's hand.
Lily holds Tommy's hand. Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Daddy walks slowly. He opens the door. 3 police officers come inside. Their clothes are wet. Rain falls from their coats. Are you David Sterling? Yes. What happened?
You are under arrest.
It's a spiss.
Lily feels afraid. Tears come into her eyes.
Do not be afraid. I am okay. It is a misunderstanding. Misunderstanding. I will come back.
Red and blue lights flash.
The police take David away. The detective leaves a small plastic bag. Inside is a silver toy whistle.
Do not touch it. The house is very quiet. Tommy begins to cry.
Daddy is a good man. We must help him.
Lily remembers Daddy's special closet. They walk together. They are brave. The closet is small. Many books are inside.
Look! A wooden box! I found this key yesterday. Click!
The box opens. There is a note. Lily sees a key, a police car, and a sad face.
Ring!
The telephone rings.
Hello? My daddy is honest. Look at the map.
What color are the bear's eyes? Click. The call ends. The house is quiet again.
Tommy and Lily have a new clue. Where will the map lead them? Find out in the next adventure.